In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Shopify to give your online store a fresh and custom look. Updating your fonts can have a huge impact on your store's aesthetic and can even improve readability for your customers. So let's dive into the process together. First, you'll need to access the theme editor within your Shopify admin. Begin by logging into your Shopify account and taking a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to locate and click on Online Store. This will expand a drop-down menu where you should select Themes. Now, you'll see a list of the themes that you have available for your store. Find the theme that you're currently using or wish to customize, and click on the Customize button next to it. This will open up the theme editor, where most of our changes will take place. Now that we're in the theme editor, we want to locate the settings for typography. To do this, look towards the top of your screen and find the Theme Settings tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different customizable settings for your theme. We're going to focus on typography, so go ahead and click on that option. This is where you can express a bit of your store's personality lies. So let's explore how you can adjust the font choices. Inside the typography settings, you'll be able to see options for both the headings font and the body font. These are the main text areas that customers interact with, so selecting the right font is crucial. For each type of text, you'll notice a change button next to it. If you click on this button for either headings or body text, you'll be looking at a variety of font options. Shopify provides a selection of system fonts and also a collection from the Shopify font library. System fonts are a practical choice because they load much faster, making your website quicker to access for your customers. However, be aware that they may render differently across various devices, which could slightly change how they appear on your store depending on the device your customer is using. On the other hand, other fonts that aren't system fonts might take a bit longer to load, but they often offer more stylistic variety and can enhance the visual appeal of your site. Once you've identified the font that best suits your store's branding, click Select to apply it. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save button, normally found in the upper right corner of the theme editor. Click it to ensure that the changes you just made are applied to your active theme. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just personalized the fonts on your Shopify store. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope your store now reflects a bit more of your personal touch. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or encounter any issues in the process. Happy customizing!